finiamo Premiere, un bel gruppo di ragazzi giovani, divertenti, io personalmente li trovo bene e abbiamo visto un raduno ottimo anche da loro. Chiamerei qui, sì, uno dei migliori. Direi di chiamare qui Giorgio Nardi e Pavli, squadra Moravia. Grazie mille.
If you want to have something, speech together.
Hello all.
One shot, one kill.
Okay, ready. Thanks for. Okay. First of all, we'd like to tell you many greetings.
Slowly, I'm Italian.
Okay, no problem. Sorry, possiamo parlare in inglese. Okay. So first of all, we'd like to thank you for the participation here, for possibility to be here and to share our passion to Alfa Romeo, but not for the car, the brand, but also to you, to us, to all together. Thank you for all, and if it's possible, we'd like to invite you to our annual meeting in Czech Republic, Jonady Grand Pregio. It will be in the first weekend in June, and more information we can give you here on this table. Thank you for all. Here are some information we got here on this red paper. So here we can tell you more. Thank you for all. Thank you for all squads. We see your work. Thank you.
Thank you.